this is a different article, right? So Tim Cook gets 41 million in the biggest share sale since 2021. And this is where it gets interesting, right? This is where you come to understand, right? This is where you come to understand that yeah, you essentially come to understand that what's really going on here is the high ratio, the high ratio, um, the high ratio of CEO pay to worker pay does not arise from base salary pay. You may have noticed, you would have noticed that on the slide, the previous slide, on the previous slide, the axis was titled comp, not pay, okay? Or not salary. The point is, compensation is different to salaries, okay? Compensation is different to salaries. So how is compensation different to salaries, you might be wondering? And the answer I will now reveal. So what you have is your total comp, okay? You have your total comp, okay? Now your total comp is equal to several things, right? I'm gonna have to, I'll probably write this out here like this. Equal to your base pay, okay? So this is your guaranteed pay, right? You get your base pay, then you get your bonus. So you get a sort of performance bonus. Then you can also get, stock grants or stock options. And then finally, there is potentially also sign on. Okay. So there's a sign on bonus sometimes, or renewal bonus. Sign on slash renewal bonus. And there's also yes, you got a sign on and a renewal bonus. And then also sometimes you can have sort of trading bonuses. Or sort of, I think the best way to really describe it is it's essentially sort of kind of it's like a sort of a performance bonus, but it's like kind of benchmark bonus, let's call it. Okay. So we've got a benchmark bonus as well. Now, some of these could be equal to zero. Some of these could be equal to zero. Some of these could be equal to much more than zero. Okay, some of them could be equal to very sort of high amounts and stuff.